everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Priceline credit card account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in Priceline credit card login and press enter. In the search results that appears on the next page, click on this first link that says Welcome to Barclays US. You can get access to your Priceline credit card by clicking on this link, so give it a click, and on the next page, enter your Priceline rewards credit card information in the text boxes. Start by typing in your username and head over to the password field and enter your password correct. If you want the system to remember your username, you can check this Remember Username box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this unchecked before logging into your account. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. Finally, if you are ready to log into your account after entering your credentials correct, click the Login button, and that is all you'll need to do in order to get logged in to Priceline credit card account right away. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.